Hey everybody, welcome to today's episode. Going to be doing barbecue pizza on the new Weber SmokeFire ex6. So in today's episode, doing the pizza on the Weber SmokeFire ex6. Going to be using a couple of pizza stones here, and I'll switch that around so you can see it. So here's the pizza stones I'll be using. One is actually the Weber brand. The other is just a generic regular pizza stone. Be doing them at about, going to try them at 500 degrees today and see what happens. Okay, we're just starting up the grill. Right now it looks like it's starting at about 85. We're going to go up to 500. Should take about 15 minutes max. Okay everybody, we're about ready to put the pizzas on. Today we're going to do two different styles. We're going to do a ham, pineapple, and red onion. It's my favorite, one I like. I know people don't like pineapple on pizzas, but I love it. The other one that we're going to be doing today, which is also one of my favorites for my daughter and my wife, are a buffalo chicken mac and cheese pizza. It's fantastic. We've had it in San Jose before, and we love it. Obviously, it's incredibly bad for you and heart attack ready to happen, but it's going to be a great pizza. Stay tuned. Okay, here's the pizzas. Obviously, we've got the ham, pineapple, and red onion one. And then we have our heart attack, the mac and cheese, mozzarella, purple onion, buffalo chicken. Looking forward to these guys. Okay guys, we're going to put them on here. Got the two pizzas about ready to go on. All right, both on. We're going to give them 4 to 8 minutes depending on how they're looking. Okay everybody, I think we're going to take just a quick sneak peek, see how they're looking. Ooh, looking good. Okay, let's take the first one off, see how we did. Alrighty. Whoa, looking really fantastic. I think that's awesome looking. So the smaller of the two pizzas, the ham, pineapple, red onion, took about 5 minutes and is perfectly done. The mac and cheese buffalo chicken still on the grill. Looks like it's probably going to be another couple minutes. It is a bigger pizza and got more toppings, so that makes a lot of sense that it's taking a little bit longer. Okay, gonna take the last pizza off. We switched it and I did move it over to the other stone because I did find this stone works a lot better than the other one. So a couple final thoughts. I do like the Weber pizza stone a whole lot better than just a generic regular pizza stone. Seems to be hotter and more even heat. And also when you cut your wife and your daughter's pizza, listen to them. They wanted 6 pieces instead of 8 because they couldn't eat 8. Makes a lot of sense. Till later.